Then this month, inside of Be Healthy Academy, we are doing a spring cleaning, and I would love to share some tips with you. How can you use the energy of clearing up the things that you don't need in your life anymore? Then the tip number one is clean up your own energy. That's very important for us to feel comfortable in our own body. This is our home, this is our temple. Then learning how to clean up your own energy is very important. Tip number two, clean up the energy of your house. That's where you are all day long. Then you want to make sure that you feel really comfortable and feel safe in the place that you live. And tip number three, clean up the habits that does not serve you anymore. Whatever the habits that you know that it's making your health worse, then let's change that. Then what are the habits that you can change today? Then make sure that you make some action plans for today and start to make some changes and apply that in your own life. Hope you have a great day.